Hi, I'm Crypto Lou, and today I'm going to be taking you through how to buy Ripple. If you're new to my channel, then please hit subscribe, and if you do like this video today, then please give me a thumbs up. It really helps me to understand what kind of content you enjoy and really helps me to grow my channel. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to put them in the comments below. So Ripple is absolutely surging at the moment. They are number 2 on coinmarketcap.com. As you can see in here, that in the last 7-day percentages, it's gone up by 41.74%. What I'll do is just take us through to Ripple. Now, another site I really like to use is coincheckup.com. You can go through there, you can view charts and analysis, investment predictions, markets, but you can also view a section called purpose. Now, in this purpose section, it's pretty good. It gives you like a brief explanation about what Ripple are and what they're looking to do. So you can view quick videos on it. You can have a look and you can view the description. So it states here that Ripple's distributed financial technology allows banks to efficiently transact with other banks to settle transactions in real time. Now, I actually purchased Ripple back kind of around summertime. I bought it for about 19 cents. And you can see that pre-December, it was going for around the likes of kind of 20 to 25 cents. Since then, it's absolutely skyrocketed. And as you can see at the moment, it's now in there at $3.09. You know, I don't know whether or not it's going to stay. I don't know. It may pull back at some point. But if you are new to kind of cryptocurrencies and you are looking to actually go through and purchase Ripple, then there's a few different ways that you can do that. If we just take a look at markets for the moment, now in the markets, it will show you exactly what exchanges you can use to go through and to purchase Ripple. Now, the top of the pile here is BitThumb. They're actually a Korean exchange. They've got the highest amount of volume, as you can see, you know, the huge amount of volume on BitThumb. Now, I'm from the UK. My two preferences are Binance and Bittrex. So you can see here that you can purchase from both of those. What we'll just do is go on to Bittrex. Now, I've actually done a full tutorial and review of Bittrex. What I'll do is I'll put it in the top right hand corner now. So if you do need to follow the steps of how to go through and actually purchase this coin, then please feel free to use that. Now, if I wanted to purchase Ripple using Bitcoin, I would simply just click onto that link. And then you could then go through and purchase your Ripple. So the other site is Binance. Again, I've done a full tutorial and review of that. I'll put that in the top right hand corner now. So all you need to do is click on the pairing up the top here. So you type in XRP in this section here, and then you could go through and then purchase your Ripple either by limit, market, or stop limit. Then once you've bought your Ripple, what you'll need to do is then move that into a wallet. Now, I wouldn't actually recommend keeping your assets in an exchange long term, just for security purposes mostly, and the fact that you don't actually have your private keys. Now, unfortunately, from time to time, both Binance and Bittrex don't actually accept new registrations. So another way to actually go through and buy your Ripple would be using a method like Changelly. So Changelly, you can exchange. So it's a very simple exchange where you can exchange your, for example, your Bitcoin for the likes of Ripple in here. So if I just type into XRP, and Ripple is then available. Now, from time to time, both Changelly and Shapeshift will actually stop you from being able to exchange into certain coins if there's a lot of volatility in the market, and they simply wait for the market to settle down. So sometimes some coins won't be available at certain points in time. So Changelly is another good option if you are unable to register with the likes of Binance or Bittrex. Again, I've done a full tutorial of this, and what I'll do is I'll put that in the top right hand corner. And with all of these, I'll also put them in the summary below as well. Then the other option that you have is Shapeshift. So with regards to Shapeshift, it's another exchange where you can deposit and you can receive in different types of coins. So you can deposit the likes of Bitcoin, and then you could change that for Ripple. Now, they do come up with a warning here. It says an unfunded Ripple wallet requires a minimum of 20 XRP for the initial deposit. If your exchange's output amount is less than 20 XRP for unfunded XRP wallet, your exchange will fail. So just be aware of that. So I'm just going to click on to OK, and then you would click on to continue and follow the process of the exchange. Now, with regards to the likes of Changelly or Shapeshift, they don't actually store your assets. Therefore, what you'll need to have is a supported Ripple wallet before you go through and do the exchange. So my top recommendations in terms of that Ripple wallet, number one is the Ledger Nano S. Now that is a hardware wallet. It is by far the safest options for storing your crypto because you're doing so offline. Now you do have to purchase it. It comes out at $94.80. It is a physical device. It's also great for ERC20 tokens, so if you are looking at ICOs, etc. And then if I'll just take us through their site now, you can see that they do support a lot of different coins as well. So the likes of, you've got your likes of your Bitcoin, Ethereum and Litecoin, but you've also got some more altcoins in here, the likes of Neo, Stellar, Bitcoin Gold. You've got obviously Ripple in here as well. So next up you have Ripple. Again, what I'll do is I'll put the links to all of these in the summary below so you can take a look for yourselves. But what you can do is you go through and you download the wallet. So it's a downloadable wallet. It's a software wallet that you put onto your laptop or PC or device. What I'll just do is take us to the Ripple wallet. Then what you can do is you can simply download the applicable operating system, whether or not it be Windows, Mac or Linux. Another option in terms of storing your Ripple is gatehub.net. Again, I'll put the link to this in the summary below, but they are a web-based wallet. What you need to do is you sign yourself up for an account. Then once you have that, you have an online wallet where you will need to have at least 20 XRP to start using it. They also have a trading section in here where it then allows you to either buy or sell, and you have different options in here in terms of your trading. It also has a simple exchange where you can exchange from XRP to US dollars or euros, etc. Then next up, my number 3 option for Ripple wallet is Exodus Eden. Now, Exodus Eden is an unsupported wallet. It does have a Slack channel, so you can get help from the community, but Exodus Eden themselves won't actually assist you in terms of support. Now, in my opinion, the Ledger Nano S is the best option in terms of the different types of wallet. It's the safest version. It's also very versatile in the fact that you have all the different types of coins that it supports as well. I also have an affiliate link with Ledger Nano S. Again, I'll put it in the summary below. So if you do want to go through and actually purchase yourself one, then please feel free to use that. And then if you want more options in terms of the different types of exchanges and wallets, there's a really good site called coinclarity.com. And if I just click onto XRP, and in here you can view the price of the coin, you can look at the market cap, the 24-hour volume and coin supply, but what it also shows you is a list of supported XRP wallets, and it also shows you the different exchanges that are available as well for XRP. Now there are a couple in here that have got this kind of star beside them. I think maybe they are sponsored links. It also gives you an information with regards to the current price and some historical price charts, and it gives you a brief explanation about what is Ripple, the history of Ripple, and kind of how it works as well. If you have an alternative of how to buy and store Ripple, please put them in the comments below, as I'm sure it will really help people to get into XRP. And I hope that you've enjoyed this video today, and if you did, then please give me a like. And if you want to see more tips, reviews and tutorials, then please hit subscribe. Thanks, and I'll see you soon.